Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to turn on flashlight for taking photos, videos in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and to take pictures with low light. If you would like to enhance some light when you are having low light for taking photos and videos, what you have to do is just click on the symbol so that you can turn on flashlight. Okay, just click on button so that flashlight is turned on. Now you can take picture. Okay, now I am going to take this picture, and when taking picture some light will be used. Okay, that is flashlight will be used for taking videos also. Flashlight will be used. Okay, I am turning on video and flashlight. For this you have to turn on flashlight, and yes, see here flashlight is used. Okay, video is being recorded. See the result. I am turning on video and see the previous photo. So in this way you can easily turn on flashlight for taking photos and videos in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.